listen, there are always going to be AP duties. There's always going to be stuff that the principal takes off their plate and puts on the AP's plate. But if your AP if you're not coaching them up to lead a school, whether it's because you're absent or they want to be a principal, it's tragic. It's tragic when I talk with APs and they have all these other duties except leading collaborative teams, supporting teachers directly, right? It's all behavior and all testing and all articulation. That said, I don't do victimhood. So I always encourage, sometimes that's done because it's always been done that way, and it takes an AP to either ask or suggest an alternative. And I'll tell our APs the way I used to tell my teachers, look, your best chance at getting a yes is if you come with one or two things: a solution or some work boots, baby. You got to come with some steel toes or a solution. So APs, if you got an idea of how you can get into classrooms, even if you identify a small team and you just get some practice work, some reps, come with a solution. Say that I've identified a team who's willing to have me come in once a week and support them because I'll be their chief hunter-gatherer, and I just want to see if you're cool with it. And here's how it would look. All the principal wants to know is whatever you asking, are you adding to my plate or sliding something off? You are halfway home if you come with work boots, which means you're willing to work on a solution, or a solution.